Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. Welcome back to another episode of Login Health. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Samsung Health app. So Samsung Health is a health and fitness app that encourages users to set goals and stay active. Available on your Android or iOS phone, the app tracks activity data with significant health impacts, helping you to gain insight on your well-being. So people, are you ready to get more healthier with Samsung Health app? If yes, let's install it. So to learn how to install it, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to install Samsung Health app, first of all tap on Play Store on your Android device. After tapping on Play Store, go to the search box and search for Samsung Health. Now tap on the green button of install on the top right corner. So you are almost done here, you just have to wait for it to get installed. Quite fast, the Samsung Health app is already been installed, so you just have to tap on open to use it and enjoy all the health facilities available on this app. So this is how we can easily install Samsung Health app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.